video is reminiscent of COVID and reintegrating into the workforce, even though it is about workspaces, which is co-working spaces, which is a little bit different. But anyway, my name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivmasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 2, number 32, which reads, over time, I've gotten to know several of my co-working colleagues, another website developer, graphic designer, a freelance writer, several mobile app coders. And so, the first thing that strikes me is, in answer choice A, is the colon. So one thing that students don't typically know is that you need an independent clause before a colon. What comes before the colon has to be a complete thought. It has to be able to stand alone as its own sentence. So you gotta ask yourself that question. Over time, I've gotten to know several of my co-working colleagues. Could that be its own sentence? And yes, it can. So answer choice A is an option here. Then what do we get after? Another website developer, graphic designer, freelance writer, and several mobile app coders. Could that be its own sentence? No, it cannot, and that's why B is out. For the purpose of SAT, you need an independent clause before and after a semicolon. So that's why B is wrong. Answer choice D we'll look at. Over time, I've gotten to know several of my co-working colleagues, another website developer, blah, blah, blah. You got a pause there. There's no pause there. So what pause is correct? Which kind of focuses on, what we're going to focus on here is the use of colon. So colon is used, it needs an independent clause before it. What comes after has to be another independent clause or something you would expect. So let's see if what's appropriate here, the colon or the comma. Over time, I've gotten to know several of my co-working colleagues. After you read that, it is an independent clause and you're thinking, what co-working colleagues? And it does in fact tell you after. Another website developer, graphic designer, freelance writer, and several mobile app coders. So the correct answer is A, no change. The colon is perfect use of the colon there. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble who doesn't know how to use a colon or semicolon or whether they should use a colon or comma. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.